Bang. No, I don't know. What did you buy now? I don't know. I just come from road. I won't go somewhere and the back tire and move again. And the just move. I check up from where the thing stop. You come here, okay?
Don't pay.
Huh?
Don't pay.
Do it for me now. That's what I thought.
How far you go? Come back later.
Let me carry me from. Don't be like
How far? Bring me back now. Chief can come through.
okay.
Then turn them upside down. Turn them.
Okay, you can't turn now.
Maybe only to turn them upside down.
Okay.
What's in there then?
This is my bag original. I be help me walk away.
Now this side the bend.
This
So
side.
carry 10 spanner then.
The day and then they move.
Carry 10 spanner.
Okay, I don't know which one be 10 spanner now.
First one. This one. Carry out. Loosen them by your hand. Look, somebody is not. You don't do it before you want the knot. You go on the other side. The other side. Tie the other side also. Right and well.
You never see move.
Come this side.
Okay, you never see walk.
You tie the stiff.
You see this still.
Turn and my see.
Okay, this guy will make a run tire. You say, I can sweat everywhere. What do you want me to do? Okay, thank you for all the direction you give me.
You say what it?
I said, thank you to show me how to walk bicycle.
Let's see, you know well. Give me your money.
Okay, money?
Let me show you the walk.
Why don't you walk everything?
No, don't play with me. Okay, I go buy this bike.
How much are we now there, okay?
Don't play with me. Now 2,000.
For everything what I do here?
Now 2,000.
Okay, I beg you.
How much you carry?
Give
Give me the money.
Okay. I'm going to give you later, okay? I know money. Okay,
Give me your money.
take the money.
Nonsense. Thank you, don't play with me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for watching that Final Lab Nation Entertainment Comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. And also share our video. To everybody come across in this life, please, try and share our video. Also try and subscribe, Subscribe very well. Bye-bye.